There's a quiet joy in stepping into your own garden and harvesting armfuls of fresh produce. But the real secret to abundance isn't endless toil. It's working smarter, not harder. The best gardens reward cleverness and care, not just hours spent digging. Today I'm sharing my top 10 time-tested gardening hacks. Simple, practical, and effective. These tricks will help you save time, boost your harvest, and enjoy your garden more. Let's get started. Have you ever found yourself in the garden ready to plant, but realized you left your measuring tape inside? Or maybe you've tried to eyeball the spacing between your seeds, only to end up with crowded plants and uneven rows. Here's a clever gardening hack that solves this problem using something you already have at hand. Instead of searching for a ruler or tape measure every time you plant, you can turn your everyday garden tools into handy measuring sticks. This trick works with almost any long-handled tool you own, whether it's a rake, hoe, or spade. Simply lay your chosen tool next to a tape measure on a flat surface, like your garden bed or patio. Make sure the handle is straight and aligned with the tape measure so your markings will be accurate. Using a permanent marker, mark increments directly onto the handle. You can choose to mark every 10 or 20 centimeters, or even every inch, depending on what you plant most often. These marks will serve as your built-in measuring guide. For even more convenience, add numbers next to each mark. This way, you can quickly glance at your tool and know exactly how far apart to space your seeds or seedlings without any guesswork. Now, whenever you're planting rows of carrots, beans, or lettuce, your measuring stick is always right there in your hand. Just lay the tool down, line up the marks, and plant with confidence, knowing your spacing will be precise and even. Accurate spacing is more than just about looks. It helps prevent overcrowding, which can lead to poor air circulation, increased risk of disease, and smaller harvests. With this simple trick, your plants will have the room they need to thrive, and your garden will look beautifully organized. You can even customize different tools for different tasks. Mark one tool for seed sowing, another for transplanting young plants, or use different colored markers for various crops. This way, you'll always have the right measuring stick for the job, no matter what you're planting. Best of all, this hack costs nothing, takes just a few minutes to set up, and saves you time every time you're in the garden. As your garden grows and your needs change, you can easily update or add new marks to your tools. With this simple tweak, you'll enjoy healthier plants, bigger harvests, and a more enjoyable gardening experience, season after season. Don't toss faded plastic plant labels, restore them instead. Use fine sandpaper to gently rub away old ink, making them clean and reusable. This saves money, reduces waste, and keeps your garden organized. Relabel as often as you need, and enjoy a tidier seed tray or row. It's a satisfying, eco-friendly habit, perfect for a rainy afternoon. Next time you find a faded label, reach for sandpaper and give it a fresh start. Have you ever looked at your recycling bin and seen a treasure trove of possibilities? Believe it or not, many of the everyday items we toss away can be transformed into practical, creative, and eco-friendly garden labels. Instead of buying new markers, you can give a second life to things you already have at home, all while reducing waste and saving money. One of the easiest ways to start is by cutting up empty yogurt pots. Their sturdy plastic makes them perfect for garden markers that can withstand rain, sun, and soil. Simply wash out the pots, cut them into strips, and you've got a set of durable, waterproof labels ready to go. Use a permanent marker to write the names of your crops, herbs, or flowers, along with sowing dates if you like. These homemade labels won't fade easily and will last you through the entire growing season, keeping your garden organized and easy to manage. If you want to add a rustic or artistic touch, try using old roof tiles or smooth stones. Paint or write directly onto them for a charming, natural look that blends beautifully with your garden beds. These materials are not only weather-resistant, but also add a unique personality to your planting spaces. Homemade labels come in all shapes and colors, from bright and playful to subtle and earthy. They're a wonderful way to express your creativity and make your garden truly your own. Plus, you'll always know exactly what's growing where. This is also a fantastic project to do with kids. Children love painting stones or decorating labels, and it's a great way to get the whole family involved in gardening. Not only does it teach them about plants and recycling, but it also creates lasting memories. By making your own labels, you're not just saving money, you're helping the environment and giving your garden a unique flair that store-bought markers simply can't match. Each label tells a story and adds a personal touch to your growing space. So next time you finish a yogurt or spot an old tile or a smooth stone, don't throw it away. See it as the beginning of your next garden project. A simple, sustainable, and creative way to keep your garden thriving and organized. Spring and autumn frosts can threaten tender seedlings. Use an upturned terracotta pot as a makeshift cloche on chilly nights. Terracotta insulates well, trapping warmth and protecting plants. Remove the pot in the morning to let in sunlight and prevent overheating. No need for special cloches. Just use spare pots you already have. This classic trick extends your growing season and safeguards your crops. Simple, effective, and free. Aphids are a common pest, but you don't need chemicals to control them. Wrap sticky tape around your hand, sticky side out, and gently pat plant leaves. The tape picks up aphids without harming the plant. It's quick, effective, and perfect for delicate crops. Make this part of your regular garden walk to catch pests early. A hands-on, chemical-free solution for healthier plants. Dry weather makes watering a chore, but plastic bottles can help. Drill holes in the cap, cut off the bottom, and sink the bottle neck first into the soil. Fill with water for slow, steady moisture right at the roots. Perfect for thirsty crops like tomatoes and courgettes. This method recycles bottles, conserves water, and saves time. Adjust hole size for different crops or soil types. A few minutes' work creates a self-watering system for your garden. Conserve water by reusing what you already have. Let water from boiling or rinsing vegetables cool, then use it to water your plants. It's nutrient-rich and gives crops an extra boost. Avoid water with dairy, meat, or oils. This daily habit saves water and recycles nutrients. Over time, you'll notice healthier, more vigorous plants. Small changes add up to big savings. Some seeds, like peas, have tough coats that slow germination. Soak them in lukewarm water overnight before sowing. This softens the seed coat and speeds up sprouting. Sow promptly after soaking for best results. You'll get earlier, more even harvests with minimal effort. A tiny investment of time for a big payoff. Peas and beans dislike root disturbance. Save cardboard tubes, cut slits in one end, fold to make a base, and fill with compost. Sow seeds, then plant the whole tube when ready. The cardboard breaks down, letting roots grow freely. It's gentle on plants and recycles household waste. Healthier plants, less transplant shock, and better yields. When space is limited, thinking vertically can completely transform your gardening experience. Instead of being restricted by the size of your plot, you can maximize every inch by growing upwards. Vertical gardening is a creative and practical way to make the most of small spaces, patios, or even balconies. By utilizing walls, fences, or any vertical surface, you open up new possibilities for growing a wide variety of crops, even in the tiniest of gardens. One simple and sustainable method is to repurpose old guttering. Fixing guttering to a fence or wall creates instant vertical planters, perfect for growing salads like lettuce, spinach, and arugula. These shallow-rooted crops thrive in the limited space, and harvesting is easy and convenient. Plus, using recycled materials helps reduce waste and adds a unique touch to your garden design. Strawberries are another excellent choice for vertical planters made from old gutters. The fruit stays clean and off the ground, reducing the risk of pests and rot. With the right care, you can enjoy a steady supply of sweet, juicy berries right at arm's reach. Herbs like parsley, basil, and mint also flourish in vertical planters. Having fresh herbs growing up your fence means you can snip what you need for cooking, right outside your door. It's a space-saving solution that brings both beauty and flavor to your garden. To make the most of your vertical and horizontal space, consider using garden planning software. These digital tools allow you to map out your beds, experiment with layouts, and visualize your garden before you even start planting. Planning ahead helps you avoid overcrowding and ensures every plant has the space it needs to thrive. Crop rotation is essential for healthy soil and productive plants. With planning software, you can easily track what's been grown where, making it simple to rotate crops each season. This reduces the risk of pests and diseases and helps maintain soil fertility year after year. Scheduling your sowings is another key to success. Digital planners can remind you when to start seeds indoors, transplant seedlings, or direct sow outdoors. This keeps your garden on track and ensures a continuous harvest throughout the season. By combining vertical gardening techniques with smart planning, you can dramatically increase your yields without needing more ground space. Even a small area can become incredibly productive, filled with healthy, thriving plants. These tools bring order and efficiency to your garden, helping you stay organized and make informed decisions. With everything mapped out and scheduled, you'll spend less time guessing and more time enjoying your garden's success. Whether you're working with a tiny urban plot or a diverse collection of crops, vertical gardening and thoughtful planning make it possible to grow more, waste less, and enjoy a beautiful, bountiful garden all season long. Gardening is about sharing ideas and embracing small innovations. I hope these 10 hacks inspire you to try something new this season. The best gardens come from working wisely, with nature and each other. Share your favorite gardening tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.